first things first, can you say, who are you, what do you do, and where do you work?
My name is Ross O'Neill. I'm the Senior Manager for our Talent Learning team at Andela.
Very good. And for folks who might not be familiar with Andela, what does Andela do?
Andela is a private marketplace where we connect clients with senior software engineers, developers from around the world. We have over 150,000 technologists across 135 countries.
Wow. And today, you're here to announce a new partnership with the CNCF. Tell me more about that.
Yeah, we're super excited. We have a long legacy at Andela of investing in upskilling opportunities for technologists, primarily based in Africa. We're partnering with CNCF to build on that legacy. We're going to train around 20,000 to 30,000 over a multi-year partnership in KCNA, CKAD, and possibly more throughout the next few years.
That's great news. Sometimes people might have the impression that let's say, we're often looking at, United States, we're looking at Europe, we're looking at APAC, but there's lots of cloud native things going on in other parts of the world. Tell me more about the discovery process of realizing, wow, we do have all this talent in these different countries and guiding them more towards the cloud native experience. What's that process been like?
Yeah, that process has been super interesting, super exciting. So one thing in terms of our clients, we've found that 90% of our clients that we work with have requested Kubernetes experience specifically in cloud native technologies in their roles, in their job descriptions for the senior software engineers and developers that we're connecting them with. And we, CNCF knew that we have upskilled over 100,000 technologists in Africa over the last 10 years. Andela was founded in Africa, and we've just a long legacy of reinvesting in our talent base there. So we want to make a very competitive workforce. We want to upscale in emerging technologies and frameworks and really be a leader in that space for African talent. In
terms of the countries where you're operating, is it all over Africa or more regionally specific? Can you give me some more insight about that?
Yeah, I can give you a bit more insight. So specifically, we're completely global, completely borderless in terms of if you're an engineering manager or a CTO and you're looking to find the right talent for your role, we can help you with that very quickly and easily. We have a very specific approach to how we connect talent to those clients called adaptive hiring. So it's a very agile, specific approach. It's very quick compared to traditional approaches on recruitment process. We go through assessment, we do technical interviews, we also do English proficiency, and so we try to partner act as a strategic partner with our clients to make sure that they're finding the right talent for their needs of today and tomorrow. In terms of the main markets that we have, mainly Kenya and Nigeria, but we're growing in lots of different markets and lots of territories worldwide. Yeah.
That's great to hear. So we have this announcement right now. What can we expect in the following months? What's next for you?
So we're announcing it now, but in Q1 to Q2, H1, we're going to launch that Kubernetes program for African talent to join, and it'll be across KCNA and CKAD. It'll be a very community-driven approach. We'll be hoping to do lots of meetups, learning milestones, peer-to-peer support. And one of the benefits is we have this Andela learning community, but it's about these technologists not just joining that community, but joining this community that, events like Cube Days and KubeCon, online meetups, and all across the different partners that CNCF and Linux have.
If people want to get in touch with you, what's the best way to do so?
ross.o'neill@andela.com is the easiest, but you can, of course, get in touch with Andela directly. I always want to connect with multitudes of different companies that have training, learning opportunities. If you have a curriculum where you're trying to upskill software engineers and developers, I want to speak to you about that. We're a very brilliant bridge to talent, particularly in emerging markets.